huge news coming in. I want to cut across to our national affairs editor, Rahul Srivastav. Rahul, this is huge news. Examination cancelled for class 12 students.
Yes, Preeti, the government had been getting in a lot of suggestions, but today the PM took a meeting, chaired a meeting of several important functionaries in the government, including ministers and officials. And after that, a decision has been taken that the CBSE Class 12 board exam will be cancelled. Class 12 results will be made as per well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. What it is being said, that there will be an alternate assessment mechanism. What the government is saying, that sources are saying that the Prime Minister in the meeting said the decision on Class 12 CBSE exam has been taken in the interest of students. And also, the Prime Minister in the meeting said that all stakeholders need to show sensitivity for the safety and security of the students. But Preeti, yes, the question which you are flagging is that the assessment process will definitely need to involve every stakeholder, because it is not an ordinary examination. It presents future challenges in terms of admissions to universities, in terms how do you grade them, how do you, because if you see the CBSE results for the last few years, a large number of students have been securing above the 90% mark. And the difference between admissions to a good college and bad college is virtually 1 to 2%. In that scenario, how will the gradation justify the aspirations or the preparations of the students? Something needs to be seen.
You know, Rahul, this is big news break because, you know, if I'm not wrong, correct me if I am, about 10 lakh students were in suspended animation, especially most of them had applied to foreign universities, some of them looking at higher courses as well. How is all, you know, we were talking about the fact that how will these kids be evaluated? I'm sure there's going to be a process that is going to be set in place. On the other side, Rahul, this entire, you know, controversy had taken a political turn as well, where lots of states on their own, of their own volition, saying that we will cancel these exams in our states.
Yes, Preeti, it's a very tough call the government had taken. The Prime Minister had chaired a meeting earlier, if I'm not wrong, on the 21st of May also on this very issue. But you see what has happened, that the Health Ministry and others have provided a lot of inputs. And in these inputs are not giving a very encouraging yes as far as holding of the examinations are concerned. The odds in terms of comparison between the benefits of holding the examination and the negatives of holding examination in terms of these examination centers turning into COVID spreader, pandemic spreaders, these were very palpable fears as far as the government is concerned. Twice we are told in the meeting, Prime Minister said that all stakeholders need to show sensitivity for students. He has directed officials to ensure that the results are prepared in accordance with well-defined criteria in a fair and time-bound manner. Now this is perhaps the next big challenge, fair and time-bound, because already you know that university deadlines, it's already June, and by July there are a lot of university admissions which will start rolling in.
You know, stay with me, Rahul. We're going to continue to come back to you, but I want to